Okay, I'm good. Okay, so I'm in my English room right now. That's Paige. She's walking away from me. Turn around. Yeah, okay. And so I'm going to sing a beautiful song while everyone is quiet and occupied. And then there's Olivia. So here we go. Simmer down, simmer down. You say we're too young now to amount to anything else. Well, look around. You work too damn hard for this just to get it now. If you don't swim, you'll drown. But don't move, honey. She looks so perfect standing there in my American Apparel underwear. And I know now that I'm so down. Lipstick stain is a work of art. I got your name tattooed in an arrow heart. And I know now that I'm so down. Let's get out, let's get out. 'Cause this deadbeat town's only here just to keep us down. While I was out, found myself alone just thinking, if I showed up with a plane ticket and a shiny diamond ring with your name on it, would you want to run away too? 'Cause all I really want is you. She looks so perfect standing there in my American Apparel underwear. And I know now that I'm so down.
No offense, but you should really delete that because of my face.
No, I'm putting it on the interweb.
No.
You do know you're still recording?
No.
Yeah, I know. That's the whole point of it.
I'll shut up and not make weird faces if you delete it.
No.
Don't.
I actually got a moment where everyone's quiet.
Keep going. They're out there. I'm like being in awe over a child.
It's okay. You have a beautiful face.
No, I don't. Not the ones I made.
Okay. But anyway, so that was all. I got 2 minutes in before it quit.
Really?
That's amazingness.
You should delete it.
She's telling me to delete it. I'm not going to delete it. And so tell me if I'm any good. Pass it around to your friends.